Welcome to DevOps Weekly Update. This is week 01 of 2022. And from 2022, I have decided that I will try to publish a weekly update on what happened in the world of DevOps and share with you some awesome information in the world of DevOps. If you are a DevOps engineer, then you should subscribe this channel because in this video, you're going to get every update that is required for you as a DevOps engineer, or if you're aspiring to become a DevOps engineer, then here I'm going to give you quick updates and also companies that are hiring DevOps. I will also share it at the end. So wait till the end and watch the video completely. So let us see the updates and what are the updates coming from the world of DevOps. The first update is Log4j incident. If you are not aware of it, there was an incident in Log4j regarding the Log4j package. And this happened well in end of 2021 in December. And companies are still trying to fix and mitigate this incident and tries to see how to resolve it. A lot of companies are still updating their packages, rolling back the changes to previous Log4j packages, etc. If you are not aware of this particular Log4j incident, I would suggest you to read it up. And if you are using any of these Log4j packages, I would also suggest you that check the Log4j package that you are using. And if required, change the package to a different version. That's news number one. News number two comes from the world of Kubernetes. And this news is about Kubernetes is removing Docker shrimp from the upcoming version V1-24. Well, you are already aware that Docker is not a required containerization, but Docker shrimp was available in the current versions of Kubernetes. Even that will be deleted from the upcoming versions. That is version 1.2.4, which will also get released very soon. And the third news is from the world of AWS and Amazon EC2 machine types C6G, R6GD instances powered by AWS. Graviton 2 is now available in additional regions. If you're wondering why it is important, Graviton offers a lot of better stability in the terms of performance and other aspects. And if you are using Graviton already on any of the instances, you would have seen this. Or if you're awaiting for these two machine types in other regions, then you have it now. Note that Amazon might not make, when it makes releases, it might not release the features in all the regions. It doesn't do that always. It tries to make changes in one region or a couple of regions, like 5 regions or 10 regions to begin with, and then it rolls it to the other regions based on the demand and the service, etc. That's the quick news about how the week went in the world of DevOps. Let us now look into the companies that are hiring. If you want the link of the companies that are hiring, I'm speaking, you can find it in the description. And the companies that are hiring, let's see. So for people from India, the company Volvo Group is currently hiring cloud engineers, meaning if you are of the experience 3 to 5 years, then probably this is your opportunity, my friends. The role is in Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. Again, you can find the link in the description. The second company that is hiring people who want to try it from outside or who are in Berlin, Germany, is a senior DevOps engineer in a company, ROMEO, Berlin, Germany. And again, for senior, you should at least have 5 years of experience. And you can have, ideal is 5 to 10 years. So if you are in this experience range and if you are in Germany, then give it a shot and see what it is. Next, the company that is hiring is from Singapore, and the role is again senior DevOps, but cloud solutions, meaning this will be more focused towards any given cloud solution. The role is in Singapore. It's a good opportunity for you to apply for this role. The age bracket or the experience bracket again is 5 to 10 years here. And finally, DevOps engineer, individual contributor in the company Togetherall, United Kingdoms, and the job profile is remote. Anyone looking for a remote job profile, go ahead. This is your opportunity. Give it a shot. Considering it's a remote opportunity, it is pretty well that you can try it. Individual contribution is nothing but you will probably work independently, or you are the only person in the team. And in this cases, there might be a requirement you to have at least 4 years of experience sometimes, because individual contributors need to work independently. That is expectation. But anyway, try to look into the job profile. All job profiles are in link in the descriptions. They are in the description. So go ahead in the description and open them if you are interested. One important note, my friends, I have mentioned it in the bottom. I have no affiliation to the above roles. All of these 4 roles, I came across them and I'm sharing with you as a part of DevOps weekly update. Well, that is it for this week's update on DevOps world. Thank you for watching with this video. If you want to get updated weekly about what happened in the DevOps world, also on the latest jobs available, remote, abroad, etc., then like and subscribe this video. I will share more videos of them in future. That is, every week I'll update one video. Thank you.